How to use AI to invest smarter in 2020. Top 4 game-changing strategies. Investing in 2025. AI is here to change the game. Forget staring at charts all day. AI can now help you invest smarter, faster, and more profitably. Here are 4 powerful ways AI is revolutionizing investing. 1. AI stock market predictions. Imagine having a personal data scientist analyzing millions of market signals for you. AI tools like Trade Ideas and Tickeron scan news, trends, and company reports to predict stock movements before they happen. Want to stay ahead? Use AI to track market shifts and make smarter stock picks. 2. AI-powered crypto trading. Crypto never sleeps, but luckily, AI doesn't either. Trading bots like CryptoHopper and 3 commas automatically buy low, sell high, and manage risks for you 24/7. Set up your AI bot, define your strategy, and let it do the heavy lifting. 3. AI for personalized investing. Forget generic advice. AI-powered robo-advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment build a custom investment plan just for you. Whether you're playing it safe or taking big risks, no more guesswork. AI analyzes your goals and adjusts your investments automatically. 4. AI for real estate investing. Looking for the best real estate deals? AI can predict property value growth, find undervalued homes, and even estimate rental income. Tools like Zillow AI and Mashvisor can help you spot hidden gems before everyone else. AI is changing the way we invest. Which AI tool are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe for more AI investing insights. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update.